Good day everybody. So in this video I'll be showing you on how to get Proxy. There are different Proxy provider. If you want to buy Proxy, this is the app you download. First of all, I want you to go to your Play Store, download this app, Super Proxy. After downloading Super Proxy, you go to your Chrome and search for. There are different websites you can get Proxy from. Like this is one, Jonis is one of the most popular site to get Proxy. So you create an account, you log in. After logging in, you see this place. You see this is how it's going to be. Once you visit, if you visit Proxy official website, this is how it's going to be. You create an account, you click on order. You see here IPv4, IPv sorry, IPv4, meaning Internet Protocol Server 4. But what we are interested on is this, no mobile, no ISP. Sorry, we'll click on residential. Once you click residential, you see this pay as you go, 3 gig, 7 gig, 10 gig, and so on. So we'll click on this 3 gig in 30 days. You see here, this is one gig is equivalent to two point something dollar, while the total cost will be 7.50 dollars. So if you convert $7.50 to naira, where's my calculator? Let's do the calculation. 7.50 dollar. You can see you are seeing 10,798, almost 10,800. While in pounds you are seeing £5.5. So just get the idea. So that is what you are going to pay to get 3 gig on this Proxy. So let me say buy now. Once you click buy order, they will show you the plan 3 gig. You can confirm it again. 3 gig. They will say purpose of use. Here you select. I select other purpose. Specific service. I select paper because paper security system is very high. Since it's survey, you have to use payment method. You see here. Yeah, the payment method. Visa/Master. You can use your MasterCard, paper, USD, BTC, USD. So and balance, you can see you can pay in Tron, you can pay in. This is my balance right now, but I have nothing in my balance. So if you want to pay with any method, let's assume that I want to pay with this. There's no Litecoin here. Okay, Litecoin. Let's say 80 quickly. You click on apply. In case you have code, you can apply your code. A code in which is a discount code. If you apply a code, they are going to slash the price for you. So you can find someone that have a code and apply. So let's assume that I want to pay. I don't have a code. Let's say I want to pay now. I want to pay. If you want to pay, they are going to give you a wallet for you to pay to. In case you have anybody that is into cryptocurrency, you can copy the wallet to the person. The person is paying. You can see the total amount I'm paying is 7.5 USD. This is the time that is counting. Let's see now I should select the cryptocurrency. I'll select Litecoin. Network provider Litecoin. You proceed. Once you click proceed the payment. If you click on proceed, you see it, the Litecoin, they convert that 7.50 USD to the Litecoin. This is 0.0999 USD. So you copy it. Please don't send more than this. Don't send more than this. Send exactly what is here. You copy this, and yeah, this is the amount you are paying. This is the amount you are paying. No, this is the amount you are paying in Litecoin. This is the address you are paying to. This is the wallet address you are paying to. So you just click here. Once you click here, it's copied. Don't copy. See, this is how you do it. Let me teach you how to copy it. You just click this copy icon. See, its address as a copy. See, this is where you click click note, copy icon, and here copy icon. You can send it to your dealer, somebody that is used to sell cryptocurrency, or you do it by yourself. So that is another method. The second method is this: you can fund your balance in case you want to buy at any time. You can fund your balance, which is once you click on this menu bar. Let's say you click on this menu bar like this. Sorry, you click on this menu bar. Let's say user case. Menu bar. Okay. Once you click on menu bar, let's assume buy Proxy. Let's say residential. Let's say residential Proxy. You select the country. Okay, this is the same thing you do here. You select, you pay as you go. You buy. Select the traffic, social media, Instagram. So you this place. I like to use other purpose service. I use this payment method. See, this is another payment method in which your balance. This balance, you can fund your balance. I don't know if you understand. You can fund your balance. You can recharge like the way you normally recharge. You can recharge anytime you want to use. You fund it. So after that, you click pay. But I have nothing in my balance. It's going to show me sufficient balance. See it. Insufficient fund. Total is not enough. So that is another way of buying it. But now, see, let me go to where I can buy this thing. Let me show you another way how you can buy it. So no, let me show you in case you have already buy and you want to. What you are doing is that you buy it. In case I've already buy it, also as you can see, in case you recharge your balance, you recharge. This is it. This is your balance, your total amount you have. This is in case you recharge. How to recharge? Choose the amount you want to recharge. Choose the payment method you want to use. That the way I showed you before. After recharging, you choose residential order. Choose residential. Yeah, it's going to show you here. This is how it's going to show you. Wait, allow it to load. Sorry, I'm having a poor network, but I hope you get it. Jesus, this is the one I bought last. I bought this here on Christmas Day, so I've used almost 6 point something gig out of 3 gig, meaning that it's almost finished. This is why I tell you that you have to learn how to buy it by yourself, so that you'll be able to track the usage of your Proxy. I hope you get the idea. So how to buy it now? Let's say I want to buy a Proxy now. This is sticky Proxy, meaning that it's going to give you one IP. It's not going to change. This is rotative meaning every 60 minutes is going to be changing an IP for you, or give you a new IP. You can set the minutes you want. So after that, you come here. After setting that one, you scroll down here. As you can see, the name that you want to put, you can put any name. You click here, username. You click this one. You click this. The format file should be in format of file. Down here, you select the country you want to use. Let's say I want to use. Let's say we want to use US. Let's say USA. Oh shit. Anyone I sure I will use it. But just get the idea. You choose the country you want to use. You choose the city. United States. The region. You can choose. I'll choose Tesla. I'll choose Tesla. Yeah, you select the city in Tesla. All these are things you're supposed to do in your template. You have to make a very deep research of the popular city list you want to use so that you'll be able to support to choose what you are doing, what you want to do. So after that, the ISP, internet service provider, you have to select which internet service provider you want to use. So it's good to do research about these are the things you should search for before connecting or before buying anything. Determine the city, the country you want to use. Search for the region that you like to use. Get the city and get the ISP of that region, the popular internet service provider of that region, so that your template will match with your IP. The format, this is the format you want it to be. This is the format I normally use. This one, this one, IP port, login port, password. So after you buy it, let's assume you buy it like this. They're going to give you like this. This is how it's going to give you. This one I bought in Joseph USA. You click on it. You open this place, file, or you can click here, see all. Once you click see all, okay, once you click all, you see here, it's going to show like this. Yes, it's going to show like this. This is how it's going to show. So what you have to do is zoom it. Let's see, as you zoom it, you copy all like this. You copy everything. You copy. So after copy, you go back to you come to your super proxy that asks you to download at first. This is the super proxy that asks you to download. So you click on super proxy. By right, your super proxy should be open. Nothing will be here. This place, you won't see anything. You are not going to see anything here. So what you do, you click here. You click this place that say add proxy. This is where you click. So once you click it like this, now you name it the profile you want to name. Let's say you can name it anything, USA me. You leave this one stock 5. You are going to leave it as stock 5. Don't touch it. You leave that one as stock 5. This server now, you paste this like this. Once you paste it like this is going to be. You see where you say res.proxy.com. That is the server. So you copy all this. You cut. You clean the .com. You leave it like this. This is the server. You see, it's correct. That is why it show. Once it's correct, it will show green. If it's bad, it will show error. So this port now, this is your port. Your port is this 10,000. So you copy this like this. You cut it. So this is your port. Your port is 10,000. You see, it shows correct. Port is 10,000 and you click correct. Now this is where you this place that show none. This place that have none now. This place. So you click on it. Once you click on it, you choose username and password. You choose it. Once you choose username and password, it's going to bring username and password. What you do now, paste this like this. You see here where there is dot like this, that's where you're going to cut from. This place. You cut from here like this. You cut it. You remove that double dot like this. The password, you put it as your password, this like this as your password. So you wait for it to show. So it show green, it show red, meaning that this thing is not correct. Once it show red like this, it's not correct. Who can tell me what is the reason for this? Why is it showing this? The reason is that this one that we use as our password is the username. This one now, This is the username, while the other one is the password. So how are we going to change it? We'll do it like this. We'll copy this. I'll cut this. I'll paste it here. Paste it here. I'll copy this. I'll cut this and paste it here. So what I just did, I just interchange it. So let's wait for it. It still show error. If you show error, that means we remove this hash. Let's say we remove this hash and see. So we remove the hash, it's still showing the same. So that means there is a mistake. What we'll do now, let's correct this mistake. Like turn this to this so we'll copy this, we cut this, paste it here, we copy this, copy this, cut this and paste it here. Let's see. Okay, still showing an error. That means maybe because this proxy I've already set it here before, maybe that is why it's showing an error. So let me go back and show you. This is it. This is how I set it. Okay, as you can see, this is how I set it. This is the details, exactly what I show you. This is how I set it. You can see. This is it. You can see it showed green. This is what I was telling you about. Once it's correct, it's going to show green. Sorry, it's going to be showing green. So the reason why it was showing error in that video is because I've already set this proxy on this proxy, so it detects it. Maybe that is why. So once you are done with all those details and everything show green like this, tick tick tick, green. Next thing you do, you click on here. Please take note, you have to save it before you do anything. You click here, you click save. Once you click save, it's going to show like this. Once it show like this, you click start. Once you click start, you allow it to load. So once it starts, once the process starts working, it's going to start reading like this. So it's going to start reading like this. So once you start reading, the next thing to do is to click on your setting icon. Go to your setting icon. You come to your setting icon, you go to more connection. Click on more connection, you click here. You see the process is connected. You click on this setting icon. You always on VPN and always block internet connection without VPN. So you make sure that this is on. I believe if you watch how to set up a VPN on your phone, I explain what this off internet connection does. So after that, you come here. There are websites you have to use to carry out your analysis before doing survey. Example of them is OA.com. So we just go to OA.com to confirm if we are properly connected. So let's reload. So once you reload, this is our IP, this is our address, and this is our city, our region, and city and country. This is how they are. This is how it is. Now this is the ISP. This is everything is connected. You can see residential. Take note, it must be residential IP. It must be residential IP. So take note of that. So the next part of this video is how to create a UK Gmail before you start taking survey. See you till then.